In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of deleting your DeepSeek account permanently. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. If you're considering deleting your DeepSeek account permanently, perhaps because you no longer use the service, have concerns about privacy and data security, or prefer switching to another platform with better features or user experience, the process is straightforward. To begin, launch the DeepSeek application on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, you'll want to locate the horizontal parallel bar icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the left-hand side chat panel, which presents a variety of options and settings. Scroll down slightly within this panel, and you will notice your name displayed at the top. Tap on your name to proceed to the profile section. Once you're in the profile area, carefully look for the Delete Account option. It is typically located at the bottom of the list. When you find it, click on the Delete Account option. At this stage, the app will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete your account. Simply tap on Confirm Deletion, and your request will be processed. Once this step is complete, your DeepSeek account will be permanently deleted, and you will no longer have access to any of the data or services associated with it. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so ensure you're certain before proceeding with the deletion. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.